Welcome to Creekside Crossing in North Strabane, Pennsylvania. Hi, I'm Casey. Are you looking for a change? At Creekside Crossing, our homes offer the space your family needs with the convenience you crave. With an eye-catching exteriors and the option for more than 3,000 square feet of living space, the focus is on comfort within our newest collection of homes. Modern, open concept designs make entertaining easy and conversations flow easily from room to room. Choose from a variety of beautiful kitchen cabinets, granite or quartz countertops, and the latest stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, our Creekside Crossing homes can feature up to 5 bedrooms, or an in-home loft or office, which is very convenient for working from home. For even more space, choose to finish your basement. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the game. Looking for more? Upgrade to a 3-car garage and keep all of your vehicles safe from harsh winter weather. Here at Creekside Crossing, we have gorgeous surroundings that include tree-lined streets, a community walking path, a neighborhood park, and most importantly, large, usable home sites with a view. Located in the Canon-McMillan School District, Creekside Crossing is close to shopping, dining, and other conveniences at Donaldson's Crossroads, as well as Strabane Square and Trinity Point. Let's not forget everyone's favorite, Tanger Outlets, just a short drive away. Commuting into downtown Pittsburgh is easy too, because Creekside Crossing is convenient to Route 19, I-79, and I-70. Does Creekside Crossing sound like the community you've been searching for? If so, schedule a visit with us today. I can't wait to meet you.